Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID login problem if your Apple ID or password is incorrect. If you are using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you are trying to log in with your Apple ID but you are having issues, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strongest cellular or Wi-Fi connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Go for settings, then general, then VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. And after that, you just have to go back and try to update your software, because sometimes it might be that your software is not updated, so you might get these type issues. And after that, you have to go back and go for screen time, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. So go for content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions. Once you have done, you have to retry to sign in or log in with your Apple ID, or if you are still having the same issue, so you have to go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network setting from confirmation message pop up from here. Once you have selected, all of your network setting will be reset. So if there will be any issue into your network setting, or if into your phone internet settings, so it will be fixed in this step. Or after that, if you are still having the same issue that your Apple ID or password is incorrect, so you have to tap on your Apple ID, then select sign in manually, and here you have to select forgot your password option. Here you just have to enter your email or phone number which is related or verified in your Apple ID. For example, I'm going to enter mine, and once you have entered your Gmail or your phone number or your email, so select continue option from here, and here you have to confirm your phone number. You have to enter your phone number. As you can see, there's a trusted phone number which you have already added to your Apple ID, so you just have to enter that. Once you have entered your phone number, you will get this type screen, so you just have to select continue anyway from here. And after that, you just have to select send code option. So select send code, and after that you will get a verification code on your phone number. And once I have entered your verification code, your password will be reset and you will be able to log in with your Apple ID. So in this way you can easily fix the problem that your Apple ID or password is incorrect and your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.